Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to exchange ERC20 tokens with Trust Wallet. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open Trust Wallet. So launch the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Ensure that you have the latest version of the app installed. Access the DEX or decentralized exchange. So tap on DApps or DApps or browser tab at the bottom of your screen. This will open the built-in web browser within the Trust Wallet app. Connect to a decentralized exchange in the Trust Wallet browser. Navigate to a DX platform that supports ERC20 token exchanges. Popular options include Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, or any other DEX of your choice. Connect Trust Wallet to the DEX. So on the DEX website, look for a Connect Wallet or Connect button. Tap on it and select Trust Wallet from the available wallet option. This will establish a connection between Trust Wallet and the DEX. Now select the token pair. So once connected to the DEX, locate the token pair you wish to exchange. You can search for the tokens or find them in the list of available markets. Exchange and sorry, enter the exchange details. So specify the amount of the ERC20 token you want to exchange and select the desired token to or asset you wish to receive in return. Take note of the current exchange rate fees and any other additional settings provided by the DEX. Review the transaction details. So take a moment to review the transaction details, including the estimated amounts, fees, and slippage tolerance, if applicable. Ensure that you are satisfied with the transaction before proceeding. Confirm the exchange. So once you have reviewed the transaction details, tap on Swap or Exchange button to initiate the exchange. Trust Wallet will generate a transaction request. Okay? So now approve the transaction. Trust Wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction, confirm the transaction details, review the gas fees, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the approval process. Now wait for the exchange to complete. After approving the transaction, you will need to wait for the exchange to be processed on the blockchain. The duration may vary based on network congestions and the specific DEX platform you are using. Now verify your token balances. So once the exchange is completed, you should see the updated token balances in your Trust Wallet. You can check your wallet balance by navigating to the wallet or assets section within the Trust Wallet app. Okay? So it is important to exercise caution with when using DEX platforms and ensure that you are on a legitimate and secure website. Verify the transaction details before confirming any swaps and be mindful of gas fees, slippage, and other market conditions. Okay? And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and to hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.